Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we are going to try something that we saw new. Our eyes spied these coconut crispy rolls, wafer cookies.
My eyes didn't. Yours did.
I love coconut, that I do. Anyway, it says here, rolled thin coconut wafer cookies from a traditional Thai recipe made with coconut milk. That sounds delicious. This box, which is 2.82 ounces, as you can see there. There are 2.5 servings per container, so 10 cookies, 10 of these little cookies. I don't know if you could see that. It's such a cute little picture there.
The actual size might be different though.
But you get it looks like instead of like the long ones, we've done other videos where you had long rolled cookies.
It's like broken up.
These are small. So 10 of these pieces per serving, you get 160 calories. And if you were to just sit down, start binge watching Black Mirror or something, not for kids. I would say this 420 calories. So take that as you will. Is it gluten-free? It doesn't say if it's gluten-free or not. And considering this is from Thailand, you know, that's not it. But the ingredients: coconut milk, sugar, tapioca starch, eggs, black sesame seed. Yeah, black sesame seeds and sea salt. Wow, look at this.
Oh,
it's
what the heck is that?
It looks like it's airtight.
Oh, that's strange. I didn't expect to see an airtight container here.
Yes, they sucked out all the air out of this. So I noticed something when I was looking at that, the directions. There wasn't a, I need some scissors for this. You might notice I'm wearing an old shirt. This is when Kobe was wearing number 8. R.I.P. to the Black Mamba. It means a lot to us here. It meant a lot to Lakers basketball. I heard the air escape. Let's see what we have inside. Yes, what I was saying, I noticed that there weren't any flour ingredients. It's really odd here. That's what they look like.
Look good.
You can see the size of, oh my. Okay, you can see that's the size. So, you know, you want to compare it to my mic. It's not that much, small. Not much bigger than that. Oh, in the center, there's nothing there. Yeah, so you thought it was like chocolate or something.
Wait.
They're just wafer cookies.
So if you see this, right, it looks like there's something inside like chocolate.
Okay, let's try. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 4, 1 meaning you may give it a hard pass, a 4 meaning buy it again for our own personal consumption. I'll give these a, let me think about it for a minute. What do you say, Tank?
This? If you see this, avoid it at all costs. It's nasty. Okay. Well, they're not bad. They taste kind of good. Don't really have that much of a coconut taste though. I give it a 2.
I beg to differ. It has a good coconut taste. Will I buy it again for my own personal consumption? I guess I will give this. I'll give it a 2, and I'll tell you why. I like the way this tastes. Right now, I'm thinking this will be awesome with a cup of coffee. But the sesame seed in it, it kind of bumps me. If it was just straight coconut, it would be fine. But with the sesame seed in it, it bumps me because I don't know. Not really a big fan of sesame seeds. I'll eat them, but I'm not a really big fan of it. But yeah, I'll give it a 2. It's not bad. I love coconut. I don't think that this one here loves coconut.
I'm not a big fan of coconut. It doesn't have much of a coconut taste, so they're kind of good.
Okay. So anyway, so that was a 2 for me, and what was it for you? A 2, not a 1? Oh, when you said avoid it at all costs.
That was a joke, obviously.
Okay. Well, anyway, so that was it for this tasty find. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. There's also a lot of do-it-yourself videos on here. So if that's your thing. And if there's other reviews, we review mostly Trader Joe's things, but we have reviewed other things outside of Trader Joe's.
Barely.
But you know, it is what it is because that's where I shop. So anyway, so on that note, once again, R.I.P. to the Black Mamba and his beautiful daughter and all the other people on that plane crash. It's a very sad day, sad week, sad times. Mm-hmm. All right, so anyway, I know you're not a fan of the Lakers, okay?
A weeks late, but
it's still, you want him to rest in peace. Oh my gosh. What, is there a window?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, until next time.